coverage from ABC News, a terrorist attack on the United States. I'm Jim Hickey in New York, along with my colleague Karen Chase. To recap, once again, there have been at least 3 attacks on the U.S. this morning, 2 on the World Trade Center in Lower Manhattan, 1 at the Pentagon in Washington.
New York is evacuating, it seems, and people are wandering the streets here with shocked expressions on their faces. A lot of buildings, offices have let people out.
Stuck right now.
Now, are you above, Jim, or below?
I have no idea. I have no idea where the plane hit. It's my understanding that it's a plane.
Center, and we have unconfirmed reports this morning that a plane has crashed into one of the towers of the World Trade Center.
Smoke, there, 105, 2 tower. All right, sit tight. We'll get to you as soon as we can. Those who stand up at the smoke really there, man.
Hold on just a moment. We've got an explosion inside.
The building's exploding right now. You got people running up the street.
Okay.
I'll tell you what's going on.
Okay, just put Winston on pause there for just a moment.
Okay, the whole building just
Right now, flames still coming out of the windows, black smoke billowing from what appears to be all sides.
Northwest conference room.
Live here on CNN as it happened, the plane crashed right into the side of the World Trade Center, causing a huge explosion.
To prevent against hijackings in the 70s. We haven't had any, therefore our guard has been down.
All right, well, I cannot think of a more fitting way to spend an important day, 9/11, than at an air show. When I was a kid, do you remember your first air show?
No.
No? I was 6. El Toro. And
I know I went to one. I don't remember where it was.
I had the little inflatable thing, and I thought I was a Navy pilot from there on. Never became one, but still thought I was one. There it is. That's the one that started it all. Flew this around. It was a fighter pilot. I think we can get one. It has an ejection seat. That's my favorite thing about the air show right there. Just kids of all ages, boys, girls, dads, moms, just everybody just in awe of all these awesome aircraft. So you can make $100 an hour flying. Just jump in one of these little flight academies right here. Probably need to put the seats back for you.
Oh, my knees would be in my face.
You'd be touching buttons. The man can smell a fish from a mile away. And he's like, must go. Those bigger than all the fish you've caught lately?
I've lost fish that big. That's what makes me mad.
Oh, look at that.
You gave me the best up one.
Like Halcom said, look at all the rivets that are in here. All the time it would take to do this, and then they just simply put Flexi Seal on that piece. Flexi Seal does the job. So that's like one of my favorite things. Is, like I said, there's tons of stuff for family, interactive stuff. Kids can put on the helmet. They could go be Pete Mitchell from Top Gun and sit there and get the interaction, like just like they had in F-18. Like. Not gonna lie, I was kind of excited. I thought they might have chicken on a Sunday. But they don't. They just have free stuff, which is all good. You've watched Price is Right plenty of times. Come on now.
Nope.
Whatever. Should we go ask them how many questions they're getting about Mar-a-Lago? Or classified information? So they have water stations all throughout. This is like a mile long that you're gonna walk for all the static displays, but they have water stations set up all over the place. You can come get a cup from any of the vendors, get some water. So it's good. Not too hot, so not really worried too much about it, but it is nice and convenient that they have it. Spin again. I would spend my allowance on these.
Yep. I got the American plane.
Oh, that one's dope.
I got the Thunderbolt.
Oh, these are great. 134th, they're the refueling that's local here. So if you don't know like how these planes work, it's literally a gas pump, like a gas station up in the air, and you can fill planes up as you go. This is what you're looking through. You look through this, you're head first, and you got little joysticks. You're trying to put this boom down to the plane below you. See if I can find like a picture or something. And that's what you're trying to do. All right, we got a little food in us. It's about 12 o'clock. Show's gonna start. Kick it off with some parachutes, some planes, some fun. There's a lot of people here. This is a good turnout. We had good weather today. Excited for this. Hung out down there, saw the show, fantastic acts. Everyone did a great job, aerobatics, all kinds of stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, but now it's time for the main, the Angels.